Like you do.
It's a battery.
I don't care.
He takes me off.
I ain't bash it, I ain't locksmith, so leave me alone. I've got my GoPro on it. Narrator, Yes.
I had a great time at Bando today. I even managed to fly through a hoop with my 5-inch Apex drone. You will see in the video that when I landed on top of the cage and then took off again, I slammed straight into the roof and smashed hard onto the floor. That basically killed my drone. The guys have done a great job and nearly fixed it with some soldering and putting some screws back in the frame. There's just one more part to go in and then we're up and running again. They also replaced the props that got smashed and gave me a new battery, which I'm very grateful for. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.